So we have this unit here ready to be crated up for shipment. You're going to lift it from that shackle right there. Basically, you can lift it up out of the crate. You'll notice that whenever you get it, as far as assembling the unit, the only thing you're going to need to do is come in right there and unbolt it from the base, and it's going to be simply lifted up with the crane, and you're going to bolt the head or the arm onto the post there, and that's pretty much how it goes. Orientation, you can see there's a blue piece of tape here, there's a blue piece of tape there on the bottom of that post just for alignment, but simply just pick it off and bolt it on. The power cord is right here on top of the D-pad controller whip, and basically you just plug that in and you're off and running. Before you slide the unit up and down on the main post for the first time, we want to look in the top right here and verify that the cables are still on the rollers, so that the counterbalance weight when it slides up and down does not pinch, kink, or damage those cables. And just verify that. Sometimes they get bumped out in shipping,